Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Syncing your Thunderbird calendar with Google is a straightforward process that keeps your schedule updated across all your devices. First, open Thunderbird on your computer and navigate to the Calendar tab located in the top right corner. Once the calendar view is open, look at the left sidebar where your current calendars are listed. Right-click in this area and select New Calendar from the menu. A window will pop up asking where your calendar is located. Choose the option labeled on the network and click Next. In the next screen, you will see several options for the format. Select Google Calendar and then click Next. Now, enter your full Gmail address into the username field and click Find Calendars. At this point, a Google sign-in window will appear on your screen. Enter your password and follow the prompts to grant Thunderbird access to your account data. This uses the secure OAuth 2 method so your personal information stays safe. After you sign in, a list of all your Google calendars will appear. Check the boxes next to the specific calendars you want to sync with Thunderbird. You can also choose to sync your tasks during this step. Once you have made your selections, click Properties to give your calendar a name or assign it a specific color. Finally, click Finish to complete the setup. Your Google events will now automatically appear in Thunderbird. Any changes you make in Thunderbird will instantly reflect in your Google Calendar and vice versa. This seamless integration ensures you never miss an appointment regardless of which platform you use to manage your day.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.